baseball, but the spin is what allows it to dive underneath the bat.
Tough play. Presley off balance throw. What a job by Presley. A tremendous defensive play in foul territory and tumbles over. That extends his scoreless streak to 38. What a defensive play.
A miraculous play up that first baseline. He didn't want to let that thing go. He can do it all.
The longest scoreless streak. Ryan Presley, the longest scoreless streak in a decade, as he has the longest streak since Brad Ziegler in 08 as he passes Craig Kimbrell.